Hold the cat securely in your lap. Make sure you have carefully read the label and understand the dosing instructions. Hold the bottle using your thumb and index finger. Use the last two fingers of the same hand to pull back the upper eyelid. Place your remaining fingers under the cat's jaw to support the head. The lower eyelid will act as a pouch to receive the drops. Hold the bottle close to the eye, but ensure you do not touch the eye surface. Squeeze the prescribed number of drops into the eyeball, aiming for the center of the eye, and then release the head.